What's up, my people? Hope say everybody dey kampe. Hope say no wahala. Anyway, today tori I carry come from na all the way from Kenya. Now this one they come from. As e be like this, e don dey hot for some two couples because this man now go carry hot tea pour for him wife private part. Hey, una see wetin two lovers they do for themselves. We gather say this woman wey her name na Madam Sharon. She dey suspect say yes, her husband dey cheat on her. Fine and good then na there madam turn to monitoring spirit. Morning she go follow the man. Afternoon she dey follow this man say she wan know the real person wey this man dey cheat on am with. Na there one day mission accomplished, the man can't drop him phone by mistake. I no know wetin okoro. Long toes find this woman go pick this man phone. Before she go sit, na there she start to dey see things. Broken heart things wey be say start to dey give her heart attack. The worst part of it na she can't go carry paper. Say she want to write the details of some women I don't know behind her craze. You dey see things wey dey give you heart attack. You can't carry Bible and paper. Say you want write the details before we go see. Out of frustration as Oga come meet and see where she dey boy. Say she won't give this man to drink. Na there the man carry am for fire. I don't know how she takes it down behind her leg she open before we go see. Hot water don't pour inside this woman tin. My people beg. Make her follow me watch.
Nitapata message na mtu mwingine, nikatoa namba. Mzee wangu alifuata, nikaona kwa ninaandika, natoa namba kwa simu yangu, nikanyamaza, nikaona namba hiyo nambari ile nimeandika, nikaanza kushika nywele na nikaenda kiteni, akatoa chai pamoja, halafu alimwekea mwili. Chai ilikuwa pamoja, alichoma.
Abeg, this one wey happen like abeg wetin I wan call am? Na jealousy abi na love abi na wetin I go call am? Because this one na the woman find trouble before she don't come go receive this one wey she collect now. But bros abeg, why be say you no just collect your phone in peace? Uche come be hot water and tea mixture. Wey you come and abeg auntie how you take sit down? You open like they wait for the man say today I must give it to him the way this girl dey give abi. How you take do am? Because me I dey very surprised say this thing can't go enter inside this kind thing. But we hear say wetin really trigger this man action and anger. Now because say wetin the girl start to dey write everything. Say the wife can't even carry this girl number. Say she won't call the side chick to ask of the abeg you sef you don't do pass yourself. Because nobody send you this one. But some people this one are pure wickedness. Abeg and this kind thing wey you do, how you take dey live with am wey be say your body no even prepare yourself say I don't destroy my wife thing. If na settle now wey be say 12 na one good abeg how you want to enjoy am? Because by that time this place don't melt. So what do you want come go dey tell people? But we hear say this man as him do this one na there this man jackpot. So as he be like this, we don't even know where Mr. Alfred dey. He don't leave this woman now, make she dey check this kind thing. But women, for your own peace of mind and sanity, I beg you see that man food. No, they near him. Because the kind things where they inside, if he give you shock, if he even give you heart attack. So you know say you no want die early, at least mind your business. You know say you no want go to your early grave, just stay one place and cool there for there. Because this one where Alfred do now. In fact, we don't know the day where this kind place go come heal. But you say next time mind your business. And we say no be today this girl and your husband don't they fight. They don't they get this issue of no trust. I beg why be say no just carry your back come out. Who just come the one be say today now you can't decide saying you get power to fight the man. You see as this man now don't decide destroy your thing. Don't punish your hold down there. But I hope say anyway they go catch this man. No be you cheat, but now you can receive punishment. I pray say police go find him, then they go arrest him. Anyway, my people, now here I go end this matter. If you not get anything to talk about this whole love matter what happened, make a write them inside the comment section. Make a stay tuned for the next video.